hubby is taking me for shopping. I like this Aritzia ultralight jacket, and when I went to Square One with my friend, sorry, when we went to Sherway, they didn't have the size in stock, and Square One has size. So, because I wanted to like try it on, that's so hubby is taking me for shopping. I got the smaller size rice noodle. Daddy got chicken stir fried with egg. Under the taste. Okay, already. Alrighty, we are leaving Square One. Apparently, the jacket that I'm looking for is pretty popular at the moment. They're out of sizes. They only have small sizes. So we are leaving empty-handed. Yeah. Going back home. Tired. My Buddha is my Buddha is probably tired and upset.
Upset?
Yeah. We came on his lunch break and they didn't have it. Anyways, switching on. Okay, I'm in Aritzia and looking for the jacket that I've been looking. I'm looking for this jacket, a longer one. Unfortunately, this one, but not like half, longer one up to my thigh. But unfortunately, they don't have the longer one nor the size. Toronto at least had the different size in stock. Anyways, sadly, I didn't get the jacket that I was looking for. So my best bet is online now. Even the online, they were actually running out of stock when I checked in Toronto. I actually wanted to try it on myself first, the size. They didn't have like the size, neither the size nor the longer jacket itself. So I tried the shorter one, I tried large, and it fit me, but it was a little tight. So I think I'll be okay with the extra large if I'm able to get my hands on the jacket online. Alrighty, that's a bummer. Hello, welcome back. So I was looking for this Aritzia jacket. I checked a couple of malls, stores, but I just couldn't find it. I wanted to try it out first before I buy it, but I just couldn't find it. So finally, I got my hands on it. Had to buy it online. So let's see. Let's see how this will fit me. Let's do unboxing together. Yeah. Wow. Nice packaging. This is the first time I'm ordering Aritzia online. Oh. So this is the jacket. Oh my god. I was looking for it. Yes, this is the right one. I was just double checking. So this is So from the Superpuff brand, it's the 800 down. There. 800 plus down film. So I really wanted to get it. Let's see, the moment of truth. I haven't really tried the size, like how it fits on me, because they didn't have the jacket in stock. Looks good. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Couple of things. The reason I really wanted to get this jacket, couple of things. First, it's lightweight. It's not ultra light. I think, if I'm not wrong, it's medium light, but it's very lightweight. Like if I cross my arms, like I don't feel any like tightness or bulky here. So it's, and then if I fold it up, it's gonna be the tiny like compact size, and 800 down film. So it's gonna be warm in winter. If it's extreme cold, like minus 40 out there, I can always like layer another jacket on top if I want to, because this is so thin. It's not, doesn't really feel like a jacket. It feels like sweatshirt. The like even lighter than sweatshirt. So that was my main reason. And the other one, the couple of like pocket had zip. I love when the pockets have zip. I don't really like carrying like big bags and too much stuff, so I can just shove in my phone and keys in here, and I'm good to go. So whether to drop off kids to school or to my mom's place, anywhere. And the length. I'll lower the camera to show the length. So this is the length. Covers my knee. I guess if anyone who's taller than me, it probably will come up to here, maybe right above me or even higher. But for me, this is perfect. I just love it. Yeah, ready to go. Yeah. Aritzia, they have nice stuff. Like they have nice quality brands like Wilford, Papaton, but so finally I got the jacket I was dying for. I had an itch to get this jacket. I took my Kesala almost like here and there whenever he had time for this jacket. Alrighty, let me show it to my hubby and my kids. Happy mommy.